Hello, canoeists. Lisa DeHart here, 3 Minutes with a Maine Guide, and I'm about to launch a new logo. Mark Lund, who is a Maine guide, got his guide's license, and like a lot of young guides said, okay, I've got the license, now what? So he took every one of my classes last year, and he's also a gifted photographer and graphic artist, and we got together during the winter and came up with this logo. Mostly it was him, but I think he just killed it. So this is a nice tri-blend t-shirt. I wanted everything to go on a river. So this is a nice tri-blend t-shirt that's going to dry quick. This is a really nice metal insulated mug. And 3 minutes morphed into something I never thought it could be. I thought I was just archiving for the sake of archiving. And the next thing I know, you guys are not just watching, you're taking my classes, you're sending me photos of these amazing biscuit cinnamon rolls you baked over an open fire after taking a class, pictures of that diamond shelter, tarp shelter, from the Broken Skull River in the Northwest Territories that you set up because the wind was blowing a gale and it's the only way you cooked dinner that night. I'm getting trip reports from young canoeists. Oh my God, Lisa, this happened. Da 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 da. And so, like Shakespeare said, so that we could recognize each other in a crowd of 10,000, I decided to go ahead and do the t-shirts, the stickers, the patches, the coffee mugs. And if you guys end up doing some amazing adventure, whether it's in the middle of nowhere or the Great Wall of China, and you take a picture of yourself and send it to me, I will absolutely post it on the website. And I think it would be so cool. So I'm getting ready to launch the 2024 season, teaching polling classes. I'm teaching an overnight, really reasonable price guides practicum or just a river practicum that I'm really excited about. And I'm just looking forward to a great canoe season with you guys. I'm Lisa DeHart, and you've just spent 3 minutes with a Maine Guide.